In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a line chart to candlesticks in the Binance app. This is a really common issue, especially for beginners, where the chart suddenly looks like a simple line instead of proper candlesticks, which makes technical analysis much harder. Candlestick charts are the standard for most traders because they show open, high, low, and close prices, giving you far more information than a line chart. So let's walk through exactly how to switch back to candlesticks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home screen, tap on Trade. This will take you to the trading interface where you can see prices and charts. Next, tap on the candlestick icon to open the full chart view. This is where you can customize how the chart looks, including the time frame, indicators, and chart style. Now, here's where many people get confused. Sometimes the chart appears as a line chart simply because the time frame setting is selected incorrectly. If you see an option labeled time or something similar, tap on it and choose a different time frame such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. In many cases, switching the time frame will immediately bring back candlesticks. If that doesn't fix it, don't worry, there's another way. Look toward the top right corners of the chart and tap on the chart settings icon. This opens additional chart customization options. Inside the settings menu, tap on Style. This section controls how your chart is displayed. Here, you'll see different chart types like line, candlestick, Heikin Ashi, and others. Simply select candlestick to switch from a line chart to a full candlestick chart. Once selected, close the settings menu and you should now see proper candlesticks on your chart. This change helps you better analyze price movements, trends, and potential entry or exit points. And that's it. You've successfully changed your chart from a line to candlesticks in Binance. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.